Yo, what's going on, boys? Merry Christmas. It's currently Christmas Eve. You're watching this probably on Christmas Day. You guys wanted to see some STi content, so that is what we're doing today. And the battery's probably dead. Shit. Completely dead, boys. Let me get this thing fired up and we're gonna go sliding. Let's go. Oh boy. Oh boy. We're good. Let's go. There's just something about a Subaru Rumble that is so addicting. It sounds so good. What do you guys think? Is that pretty dope or what? Evo sound good, you know, I love how both my Evo sound. There's just something about a Subaru Rumble though, boys, like, it's addicting. Let's see what we can do today. Oh, damn. So I don't know exactly how good this is gonna go. This clutch on this car is completely shot, but we're still gonna send it, you know? What have we got to lose? I need some of this freaking water off the inside of my windshield gone. Can't see shit. A little bit of drift here and there. Oh man, Subis are so fun in the winter. I freaking love Subarus. Oh shit, that did not sound good. Oh man, that did not sound good. Oh, that's funny. Oh, this thing's pretty freaking low. That's some funny shit. I don't know what today's gonna bring us, but let's go have some fun. You know, Christmas Eve, they haven't plowed the roads yet. We got a little bit of snow. Clutch ain't so bad when it's when there's a bunch of snow on the ground. I think today's gonna go just fine. Where should we go? It's down here. Sick clutch, bro. Got a little roundabout we could slide in, provided we don't piss off the neighbors. Yeah, I don't feel like pissing these people off. These tires do pretty good. I think they're brand new all seasons, so they're nothing crazy. How do you beat the sound of a damn Subaru? So good. Where should we go next? Holy shit, that is slick. Damn, that is really slick. Ooh, that looks deep. This car's hella low too. I don't know if I can make it. That looks so deep. If it wasn't so low, I'd definitely send it, but holy shit, this thing's smoking hella bad. Valve cover seals? Yeah, I don't want to get stuck today. Oh, that's cold. Oh, fuck. That window's gotta go up. Let's go this way. It's really sloppy down here. This is nasty. So since I know you guys are probably watching this on Christmas Day, like if you find free time at all, this probably popped up on your subscription feed. I know all you guys are car dudes as well, and a lot of you probably got car presents for Christmas. So I want you to go down in the comment section below and drop a comment. Let me know what kind of car shit you got for Christmas. Really curious to see what some people are getting, you know, from their girlfriends, their wives, whatever, their brothers. Yeah, we got to get back into some snow. This shit is nasty. It's getting kind of warm, 33, 34 degrees. So it's all slushy and shit. It's not that fun to drive in. Should we do a clutch burnout? Let's do a fucking clutch burnout. That's so bad. This road should have some snow on it. I cannot believe I drove this back from Los Angeles, California to Spokane, Washington with this clutch. The thing about Subarus, boys, like, I know there's so many Evo fans on here, but you gotta love the Subaru, like, all-wheel drive. The all-wheel drive system on it is crazy. It's so predictable compared to like an Evo. For my Evo 10, for example, you know, it's got all this snow mode, all this ACD, AYC stuff on it. I feel like this is just a raw feeling. I don't know how the Evo 8 is going to be in the snow. I wish that turbo didn't go out so soon, because I really want to. I guess winter's pretty long, but I have a feeling the Evo 8 is going to be pretty similar to this. But yeah, this in the snow versus like the 10 in the snow, you can predict everything the car's gonna do. Like you feel like you have total control over the car. The Evo 10, it's always, I don't know, it's different. If you guys have driven a 10 or an Evo in general, and then an STi, you'll know what I'm talking about. I'm not hating on Evos at all. They're freaking amazing cars. That's why I have 2 of them. But you cannot beat a Subaru in the winter, boys. Like, I freaking love them. I'm a Subaru dude at heart. Like, I've had, shit, I don't know how many Subarus I've owned. I would say 15 plus Subis in my life, and I'm only freaking 23 years old, or I guess I'm 24 now, getting kind of old, but I've owned a lot of Subarus, and I never thought I'd own an Evo until I bought one, and I love those cars as well. But I'll expand to some other shit someday, Euros, exotics, that kind of stuff. You guys will see on the channel. I got some big plans, but here is a nice little place to do some slides. What do we got down here? Oh, don't go in the ditch, don't go in the ditch. That was kind of close to going down there. Fuck that. If I was an Evo, I probably would have gone down that damn hole. Yeah, they got a Civic hatch right there. Just go buy that thing and build it. Yeah, this road's hella narrow. Not digging it, and I've never been down here before. Yeah, it's like some dude's driveway now. I'm out. Dude, this thing's smoking so bad, it's like giving me a stomach ache. These valve cover seals on this car are just gnarly leaking. Both sides, I'm pretty sure, but when I pull that motor to do the clutch on it, I'll just go through all that shit, so be nice. That'd have been crazy if I ended up down there. Fuck that. I only got time to die today. Sick. Shit, that sounds good. Alright, boys. This thing's fucking stiff. Really hope you enjoyed today's video. Once again, Merry Christmas. You guys are probably watching this on Christmas Day. So, Merry Christmas to each and every single one of you guys. Freaking love you. Appreciate all the support on the channel. And that was a good day. If you have never driven an STi in the snow, go buy one. Go drive one. Fuck, this car's stiff. Merry Christmas. I will see you in the next video.